Hello friends, it's Sketchy again, and today I'm going to teach you how to draw a baby elephant. How cute is that? That's so cute, with a big long little nose, and great big ears, and teeny tiny eyes. And of course I've got a snack, got some nuts. This is one of my favorite snacks is cashews. And I got a beverage, because sometimes I get thirsty. Oh. You gotta have snacks when you draw because that's part of the fun. And so, I have a blue pencil. I have a black pencil for locking it all down. And I have, in my mind's eye, a picture of an elephant that we are going to draw together. And of course, I have just plain old paper. The first thing I'm gonna do is draw a great big oval. And it's gonna be tilted a little bit like this, okay? Tilted like this. This is going to be his ears. So think of a great big oval. Kind of looks like an egg. And I'm going to divide this in half at an angle like this. And then I'm going to draw in the middle of that. I'll mark it from here and here. So it's just a little bit center of middle. I'm going to draw a great big oval. Like this. A great big oval like this. And because his head is actually like a ball, it's not a flat thing, I'm gonna actually draw a center line that goes right over his head, from the middle of his head all the way over to his nose. And it will look like this. See? See if that line was going to go over something that looks like a ball. And of course, he's got a nose. It starts like right here. It starts really wide and it gets really narrow really quick. Starting at the top of the line, here, his head, all the way down the center, I am going to do this. That's it. So over, down, over, down. And this right here is his nose. And from over here, I will make it connect, almost connect, see? And from over here, like this, see that? Now on the elephant nose, he's got a little, like a lip. And so we'll draw a lip like this, an upper lip, and of course he has a lower lip. This. See that? It's like a little smiley face in there. And that's his nose. It's not really lips, that's his nose. Right here is his jaw. So we have just above this is his head. See how it overlaps his nose and his lower lip? Like that. And we want to make him fun and kind of like a cartoon. We'll give him a great big smile like this. So he's fun. Let's do that. So we have a nose and a lower lip, and it goes right up into his head. So where's his eye? Let's bring his eye way down low like this. And let's make it like, the bigger the eye is, the cuter it is. It's really, really cute when it's a big eye. So I'm going to, right above the cheek here, I'm going to draw a big circle like this. And now I'll draw a little tear duct like this. And then I'm going to take from the upper side to the tear duct, I'm going to draw an arch like this. See that? And then down here, so that's the shape of his eye. And this is his eyelid. So awesome. Now on the other side, we're not going to see his eye, but we're going to see his eyebrow. So under a straight line from the center of the eye, really, really lightly. That is where the bump will be. We will see the eyebrow. Right here. Here. Okay? And that's his eyebrow. Because he'll have one over here too. Watch this. That's his other eyebrow, just like that. Of course, this is his head, goes all the way like this. And I'm not gonna touch the top here. I'm gonna darken it in. Because this is his back. So let's draw the shape of the ears. Let's start right here at the top. Here, and right here, here. They kind of look like antennas. And over here on the side of his head, we're going to draw down like this. Another side, if we could see it, it would be right here behind his nose. So, but we can't see it, so I won't draw it in very dark. We know from the outside edge, we go big shape like this. And over here, big shape like this. Follow that same curve. See that? And now we have an elephant head. Well, of course, he's got to have an eyelid. So let's draw an eyelid right here. And let's draw a lash. Oh, it's so cute. I'll draw a lash right here. Like that. Right on the corner of his eyes. And then let's have him looking down at his nose. So we'll draw an arch, like a circle here. And then we will draw the pupil here, like that. And let's say he is smelling something. Let's have him smell like a flower. Draw a stem, then a circle at the top of that stem, and then let's draw some ellipses. See that? Ellipses, 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 and then another big ellipse. Then let's draw a little leaf like that. But he needs to stand up on something. So, right where his nose meets his ear, draw straight down, straight line. And over here, straight line. And we're going to draw his tummy. It's like a big U shape right here between his ear and his smile. And then just for fun, we're gonna make it go like this. Arch, 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 arch. 2 arches. And a little smiley face for a leg here, and a smiley face for a leg here. And elephants have really short toes, and they look kind of like this. Boink, boink. And go over here. Boink, boink. And the reason they look like M's right here. The reason I did that is to make it look like his feet are going in like this. His knees, let's just draw light circles for his knees. And then we'll draw some wrinkles. So wrinkle, 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 wrinkle. Look like waves. Those are his knees. Okay? So really, we're just gonna draw his front legs, and his head, his tummy, and then the flower. Let's lock it in with the black pencil. I'm gonna start on the eyes because they're so cute. Really, really dark upper eyelid. And the lashes, lashes. And then the lower lid. And the upper eyelid. We can make it like this too. Then the tear duct. Pupil. Iris. And let's color that in. Really dark at the top. And let's leave a little space. Little circle right there for a highlight. And then we're gonna have it lighter at the bottom. Darkest around the highlight. And then, so we didn't fill it in all the way dark. Let's add a smiley. And let's trace the nose. Make sure this part of the nose is really, really dark. And the chin. And inside of his nose. And one of the things that helps to suggest that the nose is kind of rounded like a long tube is to give it some arches. Arch, 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 arch. See, like that. And the eyebrow. The head. See how it's lighter on the top of the head? Very light. Very light. And it's darker down here where the chin is. Especially down here. I'm going to darken this right here because it looks like a little shadow. Very dark there. Then this eyelid here. Or eyebrow. Like this. Let's do another brow like this. Okay. Yeah, that's cool. Now the ear. And then all the way down. To make the ear fun, let's give it a little bit of a wave. That looks cool. Let's give it a little wave. This side, straight. Let's give it a little wave. Now the tummy is gonna be super dark. So let's make a really dark line here. And the inside of his knees. Inside leg. Really dark. Outside. See how it tapers in the middle and gets white at the bottom? Taper and it's whiter at the bottom. Let's do really dark on the bottom of its legs. And remember the M shape for his toenails. M shape. And they're closer to the middle. And his knees have like little waves. Waves. And let's try like circle around his knees here. Of course, let's draw this flower. That's what he's smelling. And a circle in the middle. And ellipses. Is that the coolest thing? What a cute little elephant. And that's how you draw an elephant.